Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. Today we're going to be installing an aftermarket steering wheel in my Evo 9. First things first, we have to disconnect the battery from the car so that way the airbag won't blow up in your face. Battery disconnected, now we can start to take the steering wheel off. Make sure the steering wheel is straight before you take anything apart. There's a little panel on the bottom side of the steering wheel that we need to remove. That way we can access the wiring for the airbag and also for the horn. Two clips in here that we need to disconnect. One's black, that's for the horn, and then a yellow one, that's for the airbag. Certainly hope you ate your Wheaties today, boys. There's a bolt that's in here that holds the steering wheel to the steering wheel column. It's torqued down super tight. What we're going to need is an 8mm Allen wrench in order to get this sucker loose. Now that we have that bolt loose, we can take the steering wheel off. We're halfway there. We got the steering wheel off. Now it's time to install the short hub and also the quick release. Parts we're going to be installing today are the Energy short hub and also the Energy quick release. Short hub is on here secure, so now we can move on to doing the wiring for the quick release. Energy supplies two wires, one that plugs into the airbag connector and one that plugs into the horn connector. We are ready to install the quick release now. Now to put the cherry on top. Moment of truth, guys. The horn works. That's going to be a wrap on this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button and also subscribe. Until next time.